way.
You got it, Kev? You got those ones?
Well, she's going to have to come to that back corner, Tyler. Go up and over the rods and go right where Tyler's at.
Yeah, go right in. Go over more. Go over more. There we go. All right. It might be tangled. They are tangled. Watch that gap, guys. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
This one wasn't fishing. The hook was hung up in the head. Let him go over you. Reel, reel, reel. Are they undone? Tyler, can you go slightly forward and I'll stay back here? He's almost in.
Oh, I can
Go, baby, go. Oh, hang on. Okay, go ahead.
Ocean doesn't help any.
Oh, they're over each other or under.
They're okay right now, but they're not great.
Don't let him make another turn. Get that line.
Yeah, see if you can make it.
Hold it out, hold it out. He went over it, god damn it. Here. Tyler, take it over. Neil, hang on, don't reel him. See that? Oh, it is a big fish. Switch sides. Come back, no. Let him come back here and you're going to get yours, babe. Reel that for me, Tyler. Go forward with Tyler. There you go. I got it, babe. You gotta let me get out. Okay, go forward, go forward. Oh, whoa, Tyler, help her. Yeah. Babe, you gotta go forward. Whoa, you about went out.
There we got him.
Shit, I got it. I got it. Let go.
You're all right.
Come on, babe.
Oh, darn.
Oh, that's a big fish. They go forward. Careful. Okay, don't reel on. Take it back. Reel. Damn it.
They were both that same size.
Bring your tip over to it. Bring your tip to him there, Tyler. Get him. Oh, that is a dandy.
Woo! Hey.
He's a fighter,
Give me a little slack.
God, we're getting a good grade of fish.
That other one was just big.
Thank you. Sorry. It happens. All good.
Well, you got the next one.
We're all good. GoPro, stop recording.